name is Teacher Angel, and welcome to Novakid. I am an English teacher with a TEFL certificate, which means I am qualified to teach kids, young professionals, and even adults. I have been teaching English online for 3 years now. I teach young learners from phonics to conversational English. Teaching is my passion, and I love to sing, la 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 la, and dance. I also like to play with my students. Here's your ice cream. I use toys, realia, and give them rewards and praises if they're doing great in our class. Wow, that is a great job, a star for you. I know learning English is a bit difficult at first. That is why Teacher Angel is here to help you improve your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. In my class, we will learn English in a fun, easy, and exciting way. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit my class. See you there. Bye-bye.